Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I show you a collection of small tricks, shortcuts and how-tos that improve your work and speed it up when creating configurators with the combination platform. Let's go.
So again, we go to portal.combination.com and we log in with our login information. Today I want to give you some efficiency boosts for the environment. So find any draft that you like and step into the configurator editor. And in this environment, there are several things. The first I want to point out is this preview button up here. When you click on that, it opens up the configurator as it is right now. So when you do some changes and you play around with it and you develop your configurator, you see it right here and you find out how it looks. The second is if you already do have a published version of your configurator, then this button exists as well. In this button, you see how the configurator was with the last published version. And by doing that, you have a side-by-side comparison of your changes compared to what it is published. But there's a second way where you can test the configurator as you build it. There's this design component. This is the component where you build the user interface design. And usually when you have this design component and you click the different controls, then the controls are just selected. So when I go here and I click a control, then you see it's selected and I can change the properties. But up here, there's an interactive mode checkbox. And when you click that, then the behavior changes and the whole controls work as they would work later on in the configurator. So here, then you can check the configurator and see how it looks like with everything around. That's very handy because you can test it very quickly and switch back to the normal mode where you can select everything again and do the changes. The second thing that you see up here is this saved icon. And here you see if the configurator right now is saved or not. And after some seconds, it saves automatically. So when you do some changes, like let's see right here, I changed the color and it's green. And without saving, I go into the preview mode, then you see that this change is not committed yet. So you see that it is still white. There's nothing done yet. And when you go back and you save it, and you open the preview, then you see that the green color is here. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the quick search. That's a very nice feature that you can use almost everywhere in the platform. You launch it by pressing Ctrl-K. And right now, you can instantly type for what you search. Let's say we search for everything about prices. And you see instant results. It found components and controls. And you already know that components are found on the left side of the screen. And because we highlighted design component, you find the controls on the right side of the screen. Let's see, I just want to find this price info label. And it drills down in the tree and finds the price info label. The same thing is if I want to search for a component. And because of the fact that it's the first in the search results, it's enough to just press enter. And it jumps to the desired place.